Welcome to AllbyOly Design. My name is Olga and today we're gonna redesign a little this dress. It is a low cut and she wants the sleeve to be removed, and we're gonna make sides a little higher as well, so I pinned it on her, and at the same time she have shoulder pads that she don't want it to. So let's get started. Here is a visual before and the back side as well. Before removing the sleeves, I'm gonna take my removable pen and I wanna mark the sides how much I need to take it in. I pinned it on a customer so I know how far I have to go and then how much I need to take it in as well. So this is the front part of the dress. So first I wanted to mark the shoulder. So the shoulder she wants 2.5–3 inches wide. She don't want the full length. And also we're gonna remove the shoulder part as well. So let's get started first to remove the sleeve. I'm gonna start from the inside first to remove the lining first. The lining is stretchy polyester, and make sure you don't pull too much because if you do, it's just gonna tear apart. To remove stitches I use seam ripper. That's most accurate way to remove the sleeve. And for the front part, since we gonna cut the shoulder length, I'm just gonna cut it the serger part, and that will be way much faster to remove the sleeve. Next I'm gonna mark how wide the shoulder needs to be. Now we need to readjust the cut of the arm line. I want to make sure the fabric and the lining are in the same line, and then we're gonna start marking the front and the back part of the dress. The easiest way is to pin it and then cut it. And now we can start to adjust the sides. So I'm gonna start with the fabric front part first and then the lining. So I want to make sure I know how high I want to close the line, and then I'm just gonna pin it together to easier sewing. We're gonna sew straight line and then 1/2 inch from the edge. So as you see, it's from 0 and all the way up, and I took in the sides as well, and then you can cut. Now on a mannequin I'm gonna pin the little pleats first, and then we're gonna close the arm line. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it 1/2 inch inside and the lining too, and then we're gonna match it and pin it together. Make sure the lining doesn't show on the front part. After pinning, I wanna double check the height of the sleeve cut. So first I'm gonna hand stitch the pleats. Then we're gonna hand stitch all around, and as you see, the lining is a little shorter than the front. So take your needle and thread and let's start sewing. All done, so now our dress is ready. If you want to make a little decor or accessory for the dress, use the sleeves. And I'm gonna fold it in half and then cut a long piece because I want to make a little bow. Then sew the edges, and here our final result. So the bow that I made you can use on one shoulder to make a symmetric look, or we can actually add it at the pleated part at the waist. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will help you as well. And if you want to see more creative projects like this one, make sure you subscribe and follow. Thank you so much one more time, and I'll see you next video.